Hi, this is Andrea with Yarn Packin' Mama, and today we're going to be doing the double treble crochet. And this is in US crochet terms. And a double treble is a bit bigger than the regular treble crochet stitch. So let's get started. I've chained up 20, and you can chain any amount you want. For this particular stitch, there's no multiple, as it is a basic stitch. And what you're going to do is work into the 5th chain from the hook, and the chain of 4 will count as your first double treble stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to yarn over 3 times. Work into the 5th chain from the hook, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to finish. And that is just what we're going to do all the way across the row for this particular stitch tutorial. So again, this is the double treble crochet stitch, and you're going to yarn over 1, 2, 3 times, insert your hook, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 again to finish. Let's do that one more time. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into the next chain or stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2 again to finish. And you get this really nice tall stitch. And that looks pretty neat with the double lines over the post. And that is how you do a double treble. And I'm going to speed through some footage and show you what a couple of rows look like, because at the end of this row you will chain up 4, and that will count as your next chain, or your next, double treble crochet stitch, and just keep working back and forth. So I'll meet you up at the end of this and quickly do the beginning of the next row. Come to the end of my row, and we're going to turn our work, chain 4, 3, 4, wrap over the hook 3 times, and work into our double treble crochet stitch in the same way that we did before. And again, this chain will count as your first double treble crochet stitch, and that's why you won't work into this first stitch, because technically you already did with this chain. And again, that's wrapping yarn around your hook 3 times, going into the stitch, pulling up a loop, drawing through 2, drawing through 2, drawing through 2, and 2 again to finish. And again, you get this really neat cross over the post, and it looks pretty awesome. So I will meet you up at the end of my sample and speed through some footage for you, so that you can see what a double treble swatch looks like. is the double treble crochet stitch. It's quite tall, and that's perfect for if you want to work up a piece pretty quickly, with a pretty interesting looking stitch, because again it will have these double you know, or these three, really 1, 2, 3 crosses across the post, which look really quite neat. And the back side of a stitch will look really interesting too. So that's how you do a double treble crochet stitch in US terms, and I hope this was helpful, and please stay tuned for more. Thank you.